Hello guys, welcome back to Mufasucat with AutoCAD 3D Modeling Practical Exercise number 12. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel here, it will be helpful for us to growing up. In this tutorial, I will create a 3D palette wood. You can see the image here, and you can get this reference image from our site mufasucat.com. Okay, open your AutoCAD software. I will use a top view, and first I will create a rectangle. You can click here and type dimension, length about 120 and width about 14.5. Okay, and click here, and I will create a rectangle again in here with a dimension, length about 120 and width about 10, and click here. I will create a line from here to the top about 80. Okay, and use a mirror command to mirror this rectangle from a middle point here to here and enter. We copy again this rectangle object from a middle point here to middle point here. Okay, you can create line from here to here and move this rectangle object from a middle point here to here, and we copy by using a mirror command this rectangle object from here to here. And okay, you can select this line object and this line object and delete. Next, I will create a rectangle in here with a dimension, length about 14.5 and width about 80. Okay, and click here. We create a rectangle again from here, type a dimension, length about 14.5 and then width about 10. Enter and click here. Next we create a rectangle in here with a dimension about 14.5 and 14.5. Enter and click here. Okay, I will move this rectangle object from here to here, and then we mirror this object from this middle point to here. Okay, and we move again this rectangle object from a middle point here to middle point here. You can use orbit command to rotate the drawing. I will extrude this object and this object to the top here about 2.2. Okay, and we extrude again this rectangle object to the bottom here about 7.8. Enter. Next we copy this object from here to here, and we copy again this object from a middle point here to middle point here. Okay, and we move this object from here to here. Okay, you can copy again this object from a middle point here to middle point here and middle point in here. Okay, and we copy this object from middle point here to middle point here, and okay, we change to the top view, and I will create a plane surface. Click here plane surface, select from here to here and change to the left view. I will move this plane surface to the bottom here. Okay, use a group command, select this object and make into group. Okay, next I will apply material to the object. First I will select this plane surface, right click isolate and hide object. I will rotate the object here and change to the realistic view. Type RMAT to open a material browser and right click in global material, duplicate. I will click here twice and select the image. I will use this wood image, open, and I will use a bump here and use the image here, we open, And next I will change the amount of the bump. It's about here 130, and there's a thin here. Change the colors. I will change the colors to here and move to it. Okay, and okay here. Close and select this all object, or right click here and assign to selection. Okay, we apply a material to the object. Next I will change to the wireframe and right click, isolate, and an object isolation here. Change to the left view. You can close this material browser. I will copy this object to the top here. Okay, and copy to the right here. Okay, next I will change to the top view and I will rotate this object from here to here. Okay, and we change to the left view again. I will move this object to the top here. Okay, and rotate this object from here to here and change to the top view. We rotate again this object from here to here, and then we move this object to here. Okay, and you can use the orbit command to rotate the object. We rotate to this view, and you can change to the wireframe into realistic view. Next we will apply a shadow. You can click your shadow and click a full shadow, rendering for the height here, and then I will active the environment, change the background colors, solid into white, black here into white here. Okay, okay, and then close here, and we try to change the material size. You can tap air matte and click here twice, click the image here. I will change the material size here about 50 and rotation about 90 degree. Okay, you can see, and close and we start to render here. Okay, we waiting the rendering until finish. It's about 10 level. You also can increase the quality of rendering by 15 level or 20 level and make a high quality of image about 300 dpi. Okay, there's rendering until finish, and we finish the rendering now. Okay, I think it's enough today. If you have any question, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in AutoCAD 3D modeling practice exercise number 13.